Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours...
Oh my gosh. It's not a good look. This is not a good look right here. Got the chain off. You feel me? The seal has popped all the way out. Somehow, some way. Which, you know, it is what it is. Things happen. So I'm gonna take it off, pull the side cover off, get a quick look in there, see what's going on. I mean, the bike is not a bad looking bike, you know. It's just, I don't know. I gotta figure it out. So I will get back to y'all on that. For now, take the engine off, drain the oil. We'll go from there. Alright, here we go. Draining the oil once again. You can see better now. The seal blew off the bit of side cover. All the bearings still looked intact. No damage to the piston, although I still have to switch the piston rings around. Woo. Let's walk over here. And as you can see, I do got oil on the valve, so that's meaning it didn't blow by through the piston rings. It's all good, you know, things happen. I'm not really tripping too much, but hopefully everything internal looks good. So I'll get back to you when I bust the motor open. Screws, these bolts are kind of tight in the side cover, so wish me luck.
Wait, what?
Alright, y'all. So I got the bike back together. I think I did everything. I put oil on. I'm gonna switch this chain out. I'm having problems with this chain, so I'm just buying a new one. For some reason, it's just super tight, super loose, which is usual, but I just want to check and see real quick.
I'm thinking it's like the little,
that's it. Oh, I gotta put the tiny lock collars up on the back. You got little E brake stuff.
No, you just gotta hold the button like 2 seconds.
I'm not breaking nothing.
What you break, E?
Nothing.
Everything. Alright, here we go. I'm back. Changed, third try, changed a few things. Some things I still want to change, like this chain right here. For some reason, it gets super loose right here. Then it gets to a point where it's super tight. So I'm gonna try to run it like that, see if it stay on. If not, buy a new chain from Volts, put it on. Then, what else? Oh, I got thicker hoses. I don't know the exact size. I guess I wasn't venting the motor properly. You know, before I just had the 2 post fittings going directly back into the motor. So I was having a problem with that, with the seal popping out. So this is my 3rd seal inside my belly side cover. Hopefully this one stays on. Got the new gold manifold that I've been waiting on. Threw that on earlier. That's about it, really. Still got the 3rd venting hose coming out to the back of the frame. I took the plug I had in my spacer and using that as a vent to from my side cover back to the head, then out the head into the atmosphere. So I'm gonna go eat something real quick. Stop at the gas station, gas the bike up, then hopefully, let's turn it around. Hopefully tonight is a night I get a very successful pass in finally. I really just been working hard. Shout out to Volt, shout out to Milton for letting me use this roller. Shout out to Small Engine Cam's Iski for letting me get those right before you close. Shout out to Mr. Volts for helping me with everything. So hopefully I get to make it pass. and we'll see how it goes. We in the Volksmobile. Shout out to my primo. Shout out to my primo. We in the Volksmobile. This is test number 1, 2, what, 3 or 4?
I say 2.
No.
You came the other day, no?
No. I didn't get to run it. So test number something.
Damn, I forgot the Starbucks.
You for real?
No, this one.
I was gonna say, oh my lord. Ha 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 ha. So let's get this thing strapped. Number something. Boats over there sticking up stickers and crap. So. Sheesh. Got the bike on. About to get my helmet, the starter box, put my gloves on, and get to testing. It is cold. Very, very cold.
He's coming. Everything look good to me. Well, it sounds good. But who knows? Good. Now you know. Who knows? I don't really know that much about racing. There's a truck coming. Damn. How was it?
It was cool. I was happy no audition went past.
That it just worked?
Yeah, honestly. How'd it sound?
It sounded good.
Yeah?
It never let off. Like, it was just climbing.